Well, this is 3D Studio Max, 3D modeling software I've been working in for years. Some of the stuff I haven't used, and part of it is what we're going to do here. But what I wanted to show you was the relationship of these fittings and what happens when you start sloping pipes, uh, and why you need to do things a certain way. Um, so let's take a look here. And these lines are, this branch is perpendicular to the main, and this is perfectly horizontal, and this is perfectly vertical. Um, this is one unit. This is a separate unit. And then this is one unit, and this is a separate unit. But I have them grouped in groups, the way that they would be worked with in the field if you were going to fabricate it. So this is all one group now. So when I slope this main, everything's going to move. But first, let's take a look at what happens when you try to slope just this line by rotating this 90-degree angle. I think you can see what's going to happen, but I'm going to open the group up, and I'm going to select this, do a rotate. I want to rotate it in the z-axis, and this rotation plane is parallel to the plane of this fitting, and the center line of this fitting is aligned with the center line of this pipe. This is all one piece here. This is just an elbow I made and then extruded a pipe out from it. So if we rotate now, front view, top view, watch what happens when I start rotating this. I put the slope on it. You see what it's doing in the top view? It's changing the angle in relationship to the main. It's no longer perpendicular. So maybe you already knew that, maybe you didn't. So that's why I put this together. So let's group this thing back up, close it up. Now we'll go over here and let's put a little bit of a slope on. Okay, that's exaggerated. Look at this, and we're still 90 degrees. Now, to get the slope back on this line, we'll rotate this, and there's our slope on the branch. And we're still 90 degrees between the branch and the main. However, the vertical rise is no longer vertical. And that's where this little fitting comes into. So select this, open this up. Now this is one group. Now if we rotate this fitting, so this little straight stretch of pipe is flat, we should be able to rotate this pipe and elbow until it's vertical. We want to rotate that in the Y. I use this, and I am working with just the rise. And what I'm looking at is getting this line parallel to the grid. It's just calibrated eyeball. It isn't going to be exact, but you'll be able to see what's or we make this vertical over here. Okay. Now, let's open that group up. Take just this pipe. Make a vertical there, not vertical over here. That's got to be parallel. It is. That looks really good. You can see that we're off. These circles are not aligned. And if we see that they're not. There we go. There we go. Yep. All right. So I hope that um, and these have remained perpendicular. We haven't affected any of this. We've still got a slope. So I hope you found that helpful in visualizing what's happening when you start placing sloped pipes for a vertical rise.